We're here on site at the Royal Glamorgan Hospital in the middle of April, part way through the build. We started on site around the middle of November, and since the middle of February we've started on the main build itself. In addition to the 8 beds, there will be a day unit which will have some consulting rooms, a large open plan area with lots of natural light, and some rooms for complementary therapies on the site as well. There will be quite a lot of natural light around the building. All of the 8-bedded units have their own mini patios as well, with patio doors on the same level, so not just the patients can sit out, but really towards the end of their care as well, you can actually move the beds out quite easily, and there are there's trees, green hills to look at around here. There will be lots of soft landscaping, and we're working on that at the moment with specialist landscape artists working with the architect. So in particular, if patients needed things like radiology investigations, then they would have to come down to the Royal Glamorgan Hospital by ambulance. It's not great to have an ambulance trip down to be wheeled around the hospital, then probably have to wait for the ambulance to come back to take them back up to Pontypridd. The main driver here is to bring the patients on site so that all of those things are accessible from this unit, so that the whole approach to the building and the entrance to the building should be much less formal, and hopefully it will be reassuring for the families that their loved ones will be cared for in a building that reflects really 21st century care and not late 20th century care.